Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video we're going to be talking about how to record your screen. Now there's two ways you can record your screen. You can record your screen without your face in it, because I know a lot of people don't like to do videos with their face in it, so you can do it that way. Or you can have your face anywhere in the screen, like I have mine in the lower right hand corner. You can put it any way that you like. If you like it at the top, you can place it at the top by just moving it around. So first, let's get started into showing you how this works. Now, if you have a MacBook, I have a MacBook Pro. I'm sorry, I have a MacBook Air. So if you have the Mac computer, this is going to work perfect for you. I'm not sure if the program that we're going to be using, QuickTime Player, is on the PC. So if it is, then maybe you can use these same steps. But anywho, to get you started, what we're going to do is we're going to open up the program QuickTime Player. And once you open that up, the icon for QuickTime Players looks like this here. Once you open that up, what you're going to do is go to File. Now, the first three selections of mine are already grayed out because I actually have them in use. So what you're going to do is first of all, you're going to select New Movie Recording. And what new movie recording is going to do is that is how you're going to have your picture displaying down here in the lower right hand corner. So after you select new movie recording, you're going to go over to view. And what you want to select second is the float on top. So what this is going to do is keep your video of your face on top of your screen. Because if you don't select that, as soon as you click on your screen, your video of your face is going to go into the background. So we don't want that. So that's the second step that you're going to do. Now the third step that you're going to do is you're going to go back to QuickTime Player, and you're going to go to File, and then you're going to select New Screen Recording. And that is going to bring up your screen. It's going to have the recording for your screen take effect. So once you do that, you're going to have a pop-up that says, click here anywhere on the screen if you want to record the full screen. So you're going to click anywhere on the screen, and it's going to start recording your full screen like I am recording this full screen now. Okay, so it is that easy. I know it kind of seems difficult if you're looking at someone already on YouTube who is using that, because it took me a long time to figure it out. So you don't have to download any type of programs or anything like that and potentially get a virus on your computer. If you have a MacBook Air like myself, just go to the QuickTime Player and use those three simple steps. All right? So I'm glad I could help you out with this. And if you have any questions or you get stuck, just leave comments in the section below, and I'll be sure to try to help you out. Okay? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.